In the heart of Southeast Asia lies Malaysia, a land where ancient rainforests meet vibrant coral reefs. This nation is a sanctuary for countless creatures, one of the last great strongholds for wildlife on Earth. Malaysia's forests and seas regulate our planet's climate and support a vast web of life. From the smallest insect to the largest mammal, every living thing plays a role in this interconnected story. Protecting Malaysia means preserving a vital part of our shared natural heritage. Imagine a world painted in vivid colors: the flash of a hornbill, the orange fur of an orangutan, the shimmer of a river fish. This living art is the result of millions of years of evolution. The story of Malaysia's wildlife is one of survival, resilience, and beauty. From the elusive clouded leopard to the gentle dugong, each creature adds a unique chapter. As we journey through this remarkable land, we'll uncover the secrets of its inhabitants and discover how we can help secure their future. This is a journey into the very heart of the living world. Malaysia is home to some of the world's most iconic animals. The Bornean orangutan, or person of the forest, spends its life in the treetops, spreading seeds and regenerating the rainforest. The Bornean pygmy elephant, Asia's smallest elephant, travels in gentle family groups, shaping the jungle as they go. Hornbills with their striking casques are the farmers of the forest, dispersing seeds and ensuring the forest's health. The rhinoceros hornbill is a spectacular sight, its wings echoing through the jungle. And then there's the Malayan tapir, with its unique black and white pattern, a living fossil from an ancient lineage. Young tapirs, covered in spots and stripes, blend perfectly into the forest floor. These shy, solitary animals forage at night, playing a vital role in their ecosystem. Each of these creatures is a living testament to Malaysia's wild heritage. Their survival is a precious link to our planet's distant past. Protecting them means protecting the future of the rainforest itself. Malaysia's forests hide some of the world's rarest and most mysterious animals. The clouded leopard, with its striking coat and long canines, is a master of stealth, rarely seen by humans. The sun bear, the world's smallest bear, uses its long tongue to extract honey and insects, but faces threats from habitat loss and poaching. Deep in the rivers, the Malayan mahsia, or kela, thrives only in pristine waters, serving as a sign of a healthy ecosystem. Protecting the mahsia means protecting entire river systems. The pangolin, covered in tough scales, curls into a ball when threatened and helps control insect populations. Tragically, pangolins are the most trafficked mammals on Earth, hunted for their scales and meat. Their fight for survival is urgent and ongoing. Each of these rare creatures plays a crucial role in Malaysia's natural balance. Their stories remind us how much we still have to learn and how much we stand to lose. Saving them is one of conservation's greatest challenges. Malaysia's rainforests are among the oldest on Earth, some dating back over 130 million years. These ancient forests are living libraries of evolution, teeming with life from the tallest emergent trees to the smallest fungi. They are the lungs of the Earth, absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen, helping to regulate the global climate. The forest floor is a world of decomposition and renewal, recycling nutrients to sustain the towering trees above. Nothing is wasted. Every organism plays a part in this closed-loop system. A single hectare can contain more tree species than all of North America and Europe combined. For every tree, thousands of insects, birds, and mammals depend on it for survival. Malaysia is a megadiverse country, where nature's creativity has flourished for millions of years. Every square meter teems with life, much of it still undiscovered. Protecting these forests is essential for the health of our planet. Malaysia's rivers are the lifeblood of its jungles, carrying water and nutrients through dense forests. Rivers like the Kinabatangan are wildlife corridors, where elephants, proboscis monkeys, and hornbills gather. The health of these rivers depends on the surrounding forests, which keep the water clear and cool. When forests are lost, rivers become muddy and lifeless. Rivers have also shaped human life for thousands of years, serving as highways and sources of food. Indigenous communities hold deep knowledge of these waterways, living sustainably with nature. Wetlands and flooded forests along riverbanks are crucial breeding grounds for fish and birds. The entire river basin functions as one integrated system. Damage upstream affects life downstream. Protecting rivers means protecting forests, wildlife, and people alike. Every stream and wetland is vital to the ecosystem's health. A holistic approach is needed to safeguard these arteries of life. Amid challenges, Malaysia is home to inspiring stories of hope and dedication. The Bornean Sun Bear Conservation Centre rescues and rehabilitates sun bears, aiming to return them to the wild. Local communities along the Kinabatangan River now protect wildlife, working as guides and hosts in conservation tourism. Their livelihoods depend on the health of the forest and its animals. On the east coast, rangers and scientists protect sea turtles, moving eggs to hatcheries and releasing hatchlings safely into the sea. Indigenous rangers patrol forests, and scientists study wildlife to improve conservation. These people are the true guardians of the wild, working in tough conditions out of love for nature. Their efforts show that with commitment and collaboration, real change is possible. Conservation is not just about saving animals, it's about building a future where people and wildlife thrive together. Hope grows wherever people and nature work side by side. Despite hope, Malaysia's wildlife faces urgent threats. Habitat loss from deforestation for agriculture, especially palm oil, is the greatest challenge. When forests disappear, animals lose their homes and food sources. The illegal wildlife trade pushes species like pangolins and tigers toward extinction, driven by global demand. Poaching is carried out by organized syndicates, making it hard to stop. Human-wildlife conflict is rising as animals wander into farms, leading to tragic outcomes. Finding peaceful coexistence requires planning, community engagement, and innovative solutions. Pollution from agriculture and industry poisons rivers and kills wildlife. Plastic waste threatens marine life, causing injury and death. Tackling these issues demands action from governments, communities, and individuals. The future of Malaysia's wildlife depends on our choices today. The time to act is now. The challenges are great, but everyone can help protect Malaysia's wildlife. Choose products with certified sustainable palm oil to support forests and orangutans. As a tourist, pick ethical operators and support local communities through homestays and crafts. Never buy souvenirs made from animal parts. Support conservation groups like the Malaysian Nature Society or the Sun Bear Conservation Centre. Every donation helps. Adopt an orangutan or turtle to stay connected to the cause. Share Malaysia's wildlife stories with friends and on social media to raise awareness. The more people who care, the greater the pressure for change. Education and awareness are the first steps toward a better future. Every action, big or small, makes a difference. The future of Malaysia's wildlife hangs in the balance. One path leads to silent forests, the other to a world where humans and wildlife thrive together. Nature is resilient, forests can regrow, and animal populations can recover if given a chance. Conservation efforts and community dedication are making a difference. Malaysia stands at a crossroads, with the chance to lead the world in conservation. This requires bold decisions, innovative solutions, and the participation of all citizens. A living rainforest is worth more than a cleared one, in every sense. Let's be inspired by Malaysia's beauty and complexity. Support the guardians of the wild and make conscious choices. The story of Malaysia's wildlife is our story too. Together we can ensure a future where these living treasures endure for generations.